hindi talaga ako magaling mag-English like
Kaya nga.
TA6, di ba?
Oo.
But right now, I can talk to you English 101, oh. You want flip top also? We can do it, motherfucker, bitch. Chip, hindi ka ba mag-end live? Raid mo na kaya sa akin, Chip.
Hindi pa nga ako bakad eh. Teka lang.
Uy, tangin na to, ba't pinapanood mo, uy?
Sabi mo pwede pa. Sabi mo pwede. Sabi mo pwede pa no.
Hindi ako naka-live, sige.
Sabi mo, ikaw na, sabi niya pwede. Tangina. Ano ba talaga? Ikaw, sabi mo pwede.
Tangina mo, binibait lang kita, day. Ang ina para sa views, bibenta mo yung kaibigan mo. Salit ka. Mukhang pera, putang ina.
Onti lang. Hindi ko natapusin. Utong, ina mo na sinipipinggan mo, Los.
Si Robert.
Ha?
Kain ni Robert.
Tangina, biglang bumulong ang puto.
Tangina mo na. Tangina na ito eh.
Kain ni Romel. Ano ka ba naman?
Sorry.
Hype? Understandably so. You came in the lower
Nakalive
bracket
siya, eh? Nakalive
and you
siya?
just knocked out the team that many people
Uy, ba't pinapanood mo rin
favored to
yan,
win
Sulab?
this entire thing.
Ang gagago
You
ko.
have to be feeling good about that and confident.
Solid ah.
Eh, grabe talaga in-improve ni
we're
Boss ko.
speechless. I was
Gusto mo
telling you
gusto mo
before we
picture
came
ko
in,
ngayon si Boss ko,
rendered
gaano
people
ka-improve?
speechless. I wanna
Sige,
know
sisend ko
exactly-
sa'yo sa Facebook, Mel. Wait lang. Kaya may pinagkaiba dyan sa interview tsaka sa totoong buhay
Sige.
Wait mo lang.
how you and the team are feeling right now.
Medyo pangit lang ang camera ko.
Okay na?
Okay lang naman, di ba?
Okay na?
Uy, huwag mo na sabihin pangit ako. Okay na yun.
Okay na yung sounds, guys.
Ano pala yan?
First, before
Tangina
fight
kayo.
in OG, we're so nervous because they are the champion. 2 times.
Uy,
Champ-
ano ba yan? Ang
champion.
picture po ang buta.
Then I don't know that we can.
Kaya
beat
yan,
them
tignan mo
2
yung
times.
pinagkaiba,
Mga
Mel.
bumangas. Mga bumangas.
Okay naman maganda nga yung ano mo, interview mo dito, boss ko.
Hindi, tignan mo yung sinend ko sa'yo sa
Maganda
Facebook.
yung interview
Ayan.
ni Coco, guys. So, very clear yung voice niya.
And we just.
Hindi yung English ko niyan,
go.
with system yung mga ganon.
Hindi, syempre,
Parang
ano lang yan eh. Parang, anong pa lang to eh, TI6, guys.
All in
Ang init
Very-
naman,
on
pinagpapawisan ako.
pickings that
Hindi,
like Huskar,
pinagpapawisan ako doy.
that we cheese them.
Yeah, tell me a little bit more
Computer
about the Huskar
atatal?
pick in the second game there.
We just
Asa
play
natin?
Huskar because there's no counter for it. So we just all in and they trust me to play Huskar. So
Oh, okay naman pala eh. Wala naman pala dito, guys. Gago, legit pala yung interview ni boss ko.
Tignan mo yung glow up niyan.
No?
Sinend ko
Kaya
sa'yo.
nga,
tignan mo
di
yung
ba?
glow up.
Very
Nagkago, patay ako.
Daling-dali ni boss. Mas kalmado nga si boss ko dito eh. Mas pangit nga ata yung mga recent interview.
Ginagawa niya, ano?
Looks like it paid off. I mean,
Huli na agad. Dali mo, boss.
yeah.
they trusted you and they should have. We talked to Jimmy yesterday. Asked
Bakit nag-iba boss mo ngayon? Hindi na yan. Pabebe ata si Coco dito. Nakakaya sobrang guys yung yung na-interview ka ni, sino to? Yung babae. Sobrang famous na ito eh. Tas sobrang iconic moments, tol. Kung ako tol, bulol-bulol ako dito, tol. Si Coco nga, chill lang eh. Hindi si Shiver. Si
Ako,
Casey.
Pinakabahan ako dyan. Los. Mel.
Hindi nga, pero yung mga sagutan mo nga, tol, magaganda, tol.
him about the
Oo
pressure.
nga, legit, di ka nga nag-i-starter, Kung ako yan, medyo yan. Stock na TI6, tol. Sobrang daming nanonood sa'yo
that
niyan.
you all felt coming into such
16
a
pa yan.
big tournament, such a huge international stage. He expressed pride for his teammates, and he said you were handling it well.
Hindi siya
I
nag-joke sa
wonder
ibig.
from you
Kaya
how
mo.
you're feeling as far as the pressure and the stress. I mean, it looks like you're handling it amazingly well, but how have you been able to navigate that?
During yesterday's game, we're so nervous because it's a big stage and so many people will watch us all over
Thank
the
you,
world. Yeah.
Mel, sa
We
pagbubus
just
ng
play
confidence,
our games and don't mind any people or any fun that
Pero
will
siguro
stress
pwede mo nang
more
tigilan,
us.
no, Day? Tingin mo. Inan to eh. Ba't ako pala yung pinapanood mo? Ano yung pumasok sa isip mo, Day?
Sabi nga,
O, tapos ngayon tumatawa ka.
Hindi!
Tawa ka talaga. Solid ka. Tangina mo.
si Boss Papay, kay Boss Papay na idea yan, gago. Tingnan mo yung glow up. Kaya nga yung glow up, boss ko. Saan yung glow up mo dito, boss ko?
Ay mo, wait lang.
Uy, ano ba yun? Kung ano-ano sinisin mo.
Sorry. Hindi, tignan mo, sinend ko sa'yo. Yung glow up.
Saan ba yung glow up?
Sa Facebook.
Wait lang. Iyan ako muna yung scene.
Ay, DC to eh.
Glow up yan, Doy.
Kala ko naman yung interview yung puta. Siguro mukha lang pala ni boss ko. Pero ang chill nga ng boss ko. Tangina mo. Oh, pogi talaga niyan eh.
Yung isa,
Sheesh! Ano to
Dali.
pa? I-save nyo nga itong picture na to guys. Pwede pa na ako sa daga to. Download. Ayan, save nyo guys sa mga phone nyo guys. Pwede pa na ako sa daga yan guys. Save nyo. Legit.
Tangina mo. Wala
Joke lang. Ay, joke lang. Gagalit ka na naman. Nialambing ka lang eh. Kuko eh. Tangina na.
Tangina mo. Sa'yo pa letter ano eh. Letter O.
Gagalit na naman ng puta.
Ano pala ako sa daga?
Tanggal,
Parang
ah.
wala papasok sa bahay yung daga, ganun.
Oo, ganun tol. Okay, pag may nakita kang daga, pwede mong ipakita yung bakad. Tapos magtatago na yung daga.
Kung sakali, kunyari, ipiprint mo sa may lalagay, sa pinto.
Hindi, kahit sa cellphone mo lang tol. Tapos i-show mo lang agad tol.
Ganun
Pagkaan.
yun pala
Oo,
yun.
pwede, kaya nga isasave mo sa cellphone mo eh.
Tuloy mo lang yung ganyang conversation. Palos. Putang ina.
Eh, gago.
Magdadali ka talaga.
Sige boss ko, pagka bibigwasan mo boss ko, pakita mo sa amin, okay lang?
Tanong lang, nagtatanong lang.
Hindi, sinasabi ko lang din. Nalapit ka sa akin. Lumbong ka talaga kahit saan. Reddit.
Kaya nga. Dali mo. Tingnan nga natin yung ano. Yung ibang ano naman, boss ko, yung mga interview mo naman na iba, boss ko, okay lang. Pwede projector chip. Pwede naman, boss Mang Tomas. Basta make sure nakasave nyo lang, guys.
Kung ano na ito, bibigay pa idea oh. Si Taba, puke ng ina mo. Oily ka naman, hayop ka. Ay, sorry.
Yung Guillaume
Sorry, Chip,
naman.
sorry, Chip.
Nakatira ako, tangin na talaga.
Sorry, Chip,
Oh,
sorry, Chip.
hindi, nakaganti ka na, boss ko. Hindi,
Okay
even
na,
na
okay
tayo.
na.
So,
Okay
pwede
na,
na ako
okay
manood
na.
ulit ng another interview mo.
Okay na, Chip. Na
Pwede-
medyo Paul ata ako doon, Chip eh. Sige, okay
Hindi,
lang.
okay
Kahit
lang,
ano
boss
rin-
ko. Hindi ako na-open dun. Panood na lang ulit ng isa pang interview mo.
Wala,
Okay
nag-aalta
lang.
puta.
Hindi nga! Hindi
Okay,
nga!
okay.
Yung mga tao nga kasi gusto mapanood yung interview mo. Chill nga lang ako,
Hindi,
boss
balik.
ko.
Huwag mo na ibalik sa na ini-interview ko. Dati malakas pa ako, ngayon hindi, no?
Ito, we play oh. Malayo
Grab
ano
a
mo dito
seat.
ko.
I don't know where the microphone is, so we might.
Ay, magaling na ata mag-English yan.
Akamel interview. Gago ata ako, i-stream ko to. Ginago ko yung sarili ko.
Oh,
Hindi yun.
okay.
Perfect. Oh, it's coming right here.
Come have ramen with us.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Is it working, Slacks?
I'm pretty sure it is. They probably heard
Working?
you tap right
Okay,
now.
well, nice.
Chat's probably giving us the what face right now, but let's
Diyan ka sa WePlay na anime dyan na Mac yun, no? Kaya nga.
let's just talk about that victory. Pretty excited. I'm imagining at this point, knowing that you can go straight to TI.
Yeah, I'm excited and yeah, I'm happy for my team because it's the 4 players is their first time and yeah.
I'll ask you that we heard you guys communicating during the game while we're like watching over here. Are you guys always that loud and excited, or is it because of how much is on the line here?
Maybe we're more louder now. Yeah, it's like more quieter here. Yeah, we're more louder, I think.
Yeah, we can definitely hear a little bit
Quieter.
better without
Yeah.
the
Mali pa
crowd.
English ko
But
dun, ah.
one of
Jeep,
my big
quieter.
questions is
Quieter.
going into this
Oh.
year.
Wala
I mean,
tang,
for
wala
Din.
tang word na ganun ah.
Quieter. Hindi, may word na ganun. Di ba may word na ganun, guys? Quieter.
Gago, wala ata.
More
di.
quiet. More quiet, quieter. Wala ba?
Wala, gago, wala.
Yeah. Wala ba?
Wala ata, Chip. Wala ata, Chip. Hindi ko
Quiet.
sure.
Okay. Naintindihan naman, okay lang yun. Kaya nga, boss ko. Mas ano
ba?
naman yun. Hindi, basta, ang ano naman tol, basta understandable, boss ko, walang ano.
that this was
Kasi alam naman namin yung ano eh.
enough for you guys to get straight to TI. Was that in the back of your mind first thing today?
We know that we need just one series to qualify for TI, and yeah, but my coach and me just keep saying to my teammates, don't mind the result. We just play game by game.
Did you guys get would you say you guys were influenced like by the group stage from what people were picking and playing, or did you guys already have your own style ready to come into this game here?
I think they influence us when we watching the group stage, and we are screaming. Yeah, even the Astor we screamed before. It's like our record is kind of good against them.
Yeah. How did you feel about that second game? I think a lot of the analysts going into the first one felt like you had the upper hand based off of the draft going into game one, but that wasn't really the case in the second game. Did you feel like they had a solid draft?
Honestly, I don't believe on Medusa now because of the talent. It's like so
Ano
the
to?
timing is so slow.
Ano to tawag dito? Mind conditioning to, boss ko. Besi ko yung Medusa eh.
So
Hindi daw
we trying the
bibili sa
we-
Medusa. Eh, besi
we-
ko na
we can
lang eh.
win, but it's not really OP right now.
Siyempre.
So
Ganun
we have,
talaga.
yeah.
Kaya nga,
I think we have
minamind
a better
conditioning mo yung mga kalaban, boss
Really
ko.
interesting.
Tanga na, grandfather ka talaga.
Any other questions from our?
Di nila
Binibriefing ba
nahalata.
yung mga tanong dyan bago sabihin or on the spot yan? On the spot lahat to? Walang mga ano? Hindi, walang scripted dito? Yung ano mo, may sasagot ka na ano? Lahat on the spot lang. Improvise lang lahat.
Happy ramen goers.
Well, I guess my question would be is from the DPC, we had seen that you guys hadn't won a game with Broodmother. So like how much did you guys have to practice individually and as a team to get that online?
Basic lang yan kay boss ko
I
eh.
think my broodmother is not really strong.
Ay,
Yes.
lista daw tayong groceries.
Okay, sino bibili dyan?
Kung may gusto kayong bibili. Kunyari, sola, ganon, coke.
Sola na lang, boss ko. Wag na coke.
Mas healthy yan?
How is the team atmosphere? How are you guys feeling
Tang ina,
coming
may-
in this upcoming?
Uy, sino yun?
Ano?
Go, go. Thanks to Admiral Bulldog for the host. Dolly mo.
Ano?
Thanks, Admiral Bulldog.
Next.
Ano mo, streamerist talaga ako eh.
Hoy, ginagago mo ako, putang ina mo. Solid ka naman. Ang ina, nakakatamad ka. Damay na naman ako.
Bulldog yan, Brad. Ito talaga, ganap na talagang streamer to, tol. Thanks,
Yes,
Admiral
Bulldog,
Bulldog. Uyo.
Uy,
Of
let's
course.
go Bulldog.
Bulldog yan eh.
Di naman nag-sub yung mga ano ni Bulldog. Solid.
Antay mo lang kasi.
Coming DPC season?
Tuntuan kaya tayo Bulldog, ano, G?
Confident with our team because we
Ba't
practice a lot
kaya pala may interview ko?
we ano yung nagkakasundo? Wait,
Ang gago,
I don't know
Ay,
what is
last
the
pala
English.
ng lineup kang ano?
We agree to each other that
Euragi
we're
pala to?
gonna win this DPC season.
Well,
May first interview ko yan, Mel.
brings me to my next question. What is the goals for
Wala,
OB
wala,
Neil
wala.
for the DPC season?
hello.
The goal is, of course, to be invited to TI and then I should be the number one of the DPC always.
If you guys make it to the major,
Gago
which
talaga,
team
grabe.
would you like to see
Eh, ba't
there
nagabi yung mga
from
tawa,
the
Mel?
DPC
Ano ba
season?
yan?
Hindi, nabigla lang.
Filipino team also. I want another
Na-
Filipino team.
Actually, nakukita na ako sa Los, kaya ano eh, hindi ko tiyatawanan yung English mo, Los. Hindi ko gagawin yun. Dumaan din ako sa gantong pace eh.
Oo, di mo talaga matatawanan yan. Pag
Kaya
kinuha
nga.
naman, sunto ka sa akin eh. State execution because I've been there. I want them to join too. Siguro din talaga, no?
Well, that is the thing.
Kaya
You
nga
want
eh.
execution to
Pa,
join.
nakabrace ka pa ba ngayon?
Ah,
Okay. Ilan ba, ano bang pinapaayos mo dyan? Ano, style lang or may pinapaayos ka ng ngipin mo?
Stan, may ganun ba, gago?
Uy,
Ayos, gago.
bambang bakit mo lang.
Pag-brace, pampano lang yan, Gagi. Para
Pampapantay.
pantay.
Oo,
Pantay.
pampapantay.
Kala ko, pang style mo lang.
Join OB
Gago, may ganun ba, style?
Neon.
Hmm.
Why the change?
Tanong
Delikado
mo
yata
first
pag
si
style eh.
Natea.
No, di ko na
Magandaan yan, Day. Alam ko,
officially
wala yata ako
invited
nakikita niyan.
na picture. Boom,
Tabog, Day.
so I quitted execution for Boom, but they kicked me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so,
Naglabas ka pa na sama ng loob dito, Los, ha?
Hindi ko naririnig. For other teams.
Saan? Tekte?
Hindi sa ano, bumata.
Sa Boom. Ay, Boom pala ako, Biparni yun.
Kaya nga.
Kalimutan ko, kala ko rin ka ba yan?
Kinig ka sa Bob?
Oo,
Kaya
kinig
nga
daw
may
siya.
issue talaga, kaya may issue talaga kami ni Teams Day.
Kaya nga lagi kang na hindi nung sa boom tol, hindi naman si Teams nang kick sa'yo, si FBC.
So this is the one. I'm looking for TNC that time also.
Gago, first time interview yan, day.
Hindi, natawa sa comment. Tribute. Tribute ba to?
Oo nga, DPC nga.
Putang ina, muntik na ako masamit. Putang ina talaga ng mga tao.
They're not starting at the practice, something like that. So I join here
Yeah.
because they are started already.
Chip, huwag mo na kami pagtripan, Chip.
It's a
Solid ka
break.
naman, Chip.
Hindi, konting content lang, boss ko. And then, ano na din naman to eh. Nasa YouTube na din naman to, boss ko eh.
Wala
Makikita.
Wala kang
Has it
pinipili,
been
tol.
hard sort
Hindi kaya
of
nasobrang ka na sa
learning
pangasar.
to be-
Yeah,
work
nga.
with-
Tanga na,
Bakit ikaw na
masama pa panoorin yung interview nyo? Nakakape ko naman kayo.
Hindi mo naisip yan? Baka ikaw yung next?
together
Nakakainis ang
Solid ka
puto.
Solid
It's
ka sa
really
ginagawa
hard
mo sa mga tao,
because
tol.
they're our two players
Hindi
is
man ako
not
nasasapak sa'yo, may
in
iba pa.
in same language with us.
Mhm.
And
Tanga na,
it's
first English mo to, Los? Hindi yata ah. Ba't mas marunong ka?
really hard for them
Gago,
to
ano ako eh. Graduate ako eh. Ikaw ba?
Legit ba?
Legit niya.
Anong ano mo? Natapos mo?
High school. High school.
Ah. So, maano ka nga mag-English oh? Hindi yata first interview to eh.
Ay,
Pero
di ko alam.
makuno si Palos,
Pero
guys.
mga first lang din yan, day. Ba't tinarag ka,
say
Mel?
what we want.
Parang di ka daw high
Something
school
like that.
graduate. Ginagawa
Ano?
ni Palos.
Hindi naman nga din
Hindi na.
talaga. Wala na
Lakas
tayong
ng gabi ni
magagawa
Palos.
dun, bukod eh.
Nanga ano ka?
Kung ano, nagdota kasi agad eh.
What we want to do,
Nakakainis eh.
something like that.
Same na naman tayo, Mel.
So,
Yaman na.
next.
And what we want to be there in the map.
Has
Pero
that
siya mas pogi sa
been
inyo ni Armel.
Tangina talaga
Plus.
yung mga
the
comment,
biggest
tangin.
obstacle
Mel,
or the
pagtabihin mo nga
hardest
itsura
thing
natin,
to
tingnan natin.
overcome as a new team?
Yeah. The communication is really hard.
Pagtabihin mo.
Ha?
Face up muna tayo.
Face
Lagyan
up?
mo yung mukha mo kay Natea. Oh.
Hindi, bakit? Wala ka atang palag. Ano? Last, legit.
Lagyan mo na lang. Dami mo pa siya sabi.
Yeah.
Tangina, ganito mukha mo. Gusto mo pang magkumparahan tayo. Hayop ka naman.
Yeah.
Ayoko na kita mapahiya eh.
We're not talking about
na ilagay.
something.
Bahala ka.
We're not keep talking because there's a language barrier.
Yeah.
In execution, we're just keep talking Tagalog.
Ano ba to? Nagsasign language ka pa?
Ba't yung tumatawa? Ano na sinasabi ko?